Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can close a Revolut Pro account. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So first, of course, you have to make sure that that your country actually supports or has Revolut. And once you're on your Revolut app or your website, what you will have to do is log in with your credentials. And after logging in, you will just have to tap profile. And after that, you will click account settings. Then you will tap pro account and go ahead and choose close account. And what you will have to do is just confirm it, and then the remaining funds will be returned to the main account. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.